Good morning student. Today I will teach you class 7th lesson 10 history political formation in the 18th century 18वीं शताब्दी में राजनीतिक गठन. औरंगजेब was the last powerful emperor of the मुगल emperor यानी मुगल साम्राज्य का जो औरंगजेब था वह लास्ट शासक था. During his period मुगल emperor extended greatly but he did many political blunders. This was the main reason of disintegration and decline of the मुगल एम्पायर का था. जो मेन रीज़न था वो ये वाला था. Causes of decline of the मुगल एम्पायर. Deccan policy of Aurangzeb. He wanted to conquer बीजापुर and गोलकोंडा, so he spent a lot of time. यहाँ पर उसने बहुत सारा समय बताया money and soldier on fighting these rulers. Maratha, Sikh and Jat also revolted against Mughal emperor. The governor appointed to control the province became very powerful. Many of them ruled but the province like a independent ruler. They went out of his control. Successors of Aurangzeb were very weak and they were not capable to control the whole kingdom. वह पूरे साम्राज्य को संभालने के लिए असमर्थ था. The preferred so life of pleasure and luxury so noble became very powerful. Foreign invasions were also the reason of disintegration of Mughal empire. Nader Shah plundered and looked Delhi in 1739 AD. He took away enormous wealth, including the Koh-i-Noor diamond and the famous peacock throne. Later, Mughals Aurangzeb died in 77 and his successors were called the later Mughal. Bahadur Shah ruled from 77 AD to 12 AD. He defeated Sikh, but he was not able to form a strong kingdom. A strong kingdom नहीं थी. Jahadar Shah was the next ruler. He ruled only for a few months. He was a weak and corrupt ruler. During his brief reign, his Wazir Prime Minister Zulfikar Khan became very powerful. He was murdered in 1713 AD. Farrukh Khasiyar was the nephew of Jahadar Shah. He was controlled by the Sayyid brother Abdullah Khan Barha and Hussain Ali Khan Barha. They were known as king makers. They removed Farrukh Shah from the throne. They placed a new ruler, Abu Muhammad Shah, became emperor in 1720 AD. He stripped the Sayyid brothers of their power. He ruled from 1720 AD to 1747 AD. During his long reign, a number of regional kingdoms, including Hyderabad and Awadh, became independent from the Mughal emperor. Invasions of Nader Shah and Ahmad Shah अब्दाली यानी कि अहमद शाह और अहमद शाह ने आक्रमण कब किया. नादर शाह was the ruler of ईरान का था. He invaded India and defeated Muhammad Shah. In this battle was known as Battle of Karnal. After defeating Muhammad Shah, Nader Shah entered Delhi. His soldiers rallied the city and killed thousands of people. He looked a lot of wealth and the famous Koh-i-Noor diamond. He also took away the famous peacock throne of Shah Jahan. Ahmad Shah Abdali invaded India. After Nadir Shah, he was an Afghan invader. Third battle of Panipat was fought between Ahmad Shah or Abdali and Maratha. In 1761, Ahmad Shah Abdali defeated Maratha से डिफीट हो गए थे, हार गए थे. मैनी मराठा लीडर्स वर किल्ड इन दिस बैटल में इसमें कई मराठा इस युद्ध में मारे गए थे. इमर्ज ऑफ न्यू स्टेट. Emergence of new state. After disintegration of Mughal Emperor, many regional kingdoms arose. Hyderabad, Awadh, Bengal, Mysore. Sikh of Punjab, Rajput of Rajasthan became independent. Hyderabad, the state of Hyderabad was founded by Chin Quilin Khan in 1724 AD. He was powerful noble in the court of Farrukhsiyar and Muhammad Shah. He was awarded the title of Nizam ul Mulk Asaf Jai and given the responsibility of governing the Deccan province. He ruled over the state independently, though he did recognize the emperor as his sovereign. He appointed Mansabdar and granted them Jagirs independently without taking the permission of the Mughal king. His successor was called Nizam. Awadh. Muhammad Shah appointed Saadat Khan the governor of Awadh in 1722 AD. The Jamidar of Awadh often refused to pay tax of time. Saadat Khan suppressed the rebellious Jamidar and reformed the revenue system. Saadat Khan was the first ruler who was known as the Nawab of Awadh. The Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah gave him the title of Burhanul Mulk. A major achievement of Saadat Khan was the reduce the size of the Jagir and the number of Jagirdar. He also founded the city of Fizabad near Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh. Bengal. Muslim Quli Khan was the governor of Bengal under the Mughal. He had his successor ruled efficiently and made Bengal a prosperous state. Murshid Quli Khan and Ali Wardi Khan were capable Nawab who made Bengal a strong trade and commerce center, but they could not stop the increasing power of British East India Company. Mysore Ali was the great administrator and army commander of Mysore. He ruled from 1761 AD to 1782 AD. His son Tipu Sultan and Mysore very powerful with the help of French. Hyder Ali established a modern arsenal and Dindigal. Tipu Sultan was the first ruler who used rockets in war. These rockets could travel a few hundred yards. Some of them had iron blades loaded to them. Sikh of Punjab. The Sikh became a strong political and military force under Guru Gobind Singh. He organized the Sikh into a military group called Khalsa. He inspired the soldiers to fight against the Mughal. His famous slogan, उनका जो फेमस स्लोगन था नारा था बाज वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. Guru Gobind Singh asked all Sikhs to wear 5 sacred key symbol Kesa, Ganga, Kara, Kacha and Kripan. After the death of Guru Gobind Singh, the Sikhs were led by Banda Bahadur. He continued the struggle against the Mughal. He was captured in 1715 AD and put to death in 1716 at, at, at Delhi. During the last decade of the 18th century, Ranjit Singh, the courageous and able leader of the Sikh, brought them together against Ranjit Singh, built up a powerful, disciplined, and well equipped army.